Dumplings. The ingredients you'll need is self-rising flour, an egg, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper, rolling pin, measuring cup, yellow food coloring, wax paper, a bowl, and over here a chicken, which you will boil for about 2 hours until the meat is ready, falling off the bone. The first thing you'll do is wash your chicken, place it in a pot of water, add your bouillon cube and your salt and pepper. Then you'll boil it for the 2 hours until it falls off the bone. Once that's ready, we'll take it out and let it cool. We'll take it off and put it back in the broth. Alright, the next thing we'll do is we'll add our 2 cups of flour, our 1 egg, 2 or 3 drops of the food coloring. This food coloring gives it more appeal to the eye. Then we'll add our broth. This broth is from the chicken that cooked. We'll take our fork and stir it up. Now that you have it all mixed, you might have to add a little flour to get it to the right dough consistency. After you have that, you'll lay out your wax paper and sprinkle flour on it because it gets pretty sticky. Put some flour on your hands, take your ball of dough, sprinkle some flour on it, and start rolling. You're going to want to roll this out to about paper thickness so we can cut it. Alright, stop it. Once you have it all rolled out, you can either take a sharp knife or a pizza cutter, as I like to use, and start cutting out your squares. After you have all your squares cut out, you want to throw them onto a pan or a sheet of wax paper and bring it over to your boiling broth to throw in there. Get stopped. Thank you. Alright, we strip the chicken, put it in a bowl, and we'll dump it into the broth. Get it stirred. After we have the chicken in there, we can take our pan and start putting the dumplings in. While you add the dumplings, you're going to want to keep it stirred so they don't stick together or to the bottom of the pan. And once you get all your dumplings in there, you can let it cool and it'll be ready to serve.